everyone, my name is Brooklyn and welcome back to the Luxy Hair YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be trying out extensions for the first time. So let's go from this to this. So I just got my Luxys in the mail, and after color matching on their website, I was matched with chestnut brown. I'm super excited to try these out. So the Luxys come in this adorable pink box. It's sealed with 2 stickers on each side, so it is not popping open. So I'm just gonna pop the top off here. I'm so excited to see my color. Oh, cute. So on the top here, you can see it comes with a individual weft, and then there's all the hair packaged under here. This is one of the pieces of your full set of Luxy Hair Extensions. It's designed for you to test the color and quality of your new set. I love that. I think that's a really great idea to make sure that, you know, is this my color? Is it gonna work for me? Is it the right length? I love that. So I've pulled it out of the net so I can see the length, I can feel it. It feels so nice. It feels a lot nicer than my own hair actually. But I sit a little bit more red toned on top. So I am gonna color match to underneath my hair and then kind of blend it in just to make sure that this is something that would work for me. Keeping it on the card as per the directions. And I think it's gonna work. So as I already showed you guys before, the whole set is in here and it is also sealed by 2 gold stickers. So we are gonna pop this open. Now the stickers do say cannot return or exchange after opened. That's why we had the little piece before, but I'm feeling confident, so we're gonna open it up. And again, they're in there, they're covered in the same type of netting that our sample piece was in. And it looks like there's also some extra clips if you were to ever lose any. So let's open it up. So I'm just gonna peel the net back, and that is what we have. I am gonna have so much more volume to my hair. It's pretty thin. I have lots of hair, but it's thin, so I'm excited to add. I have never put in hair extensions before, so bear with me, but we're gonna start bottom and kind of work our way up. So it's recommended that you start with a 3-clip weft, but I have a tiny head, so I think I'm gonna go with 2. So I have a clip here, so I'm gonna start by clipping up everything to the top, and again, work our way up. Okay, so I've pinned up the top half, and I've left a little bit here for the 2-clip weft to connect to. So I just popped the 2 clips open. I'm gonna flip it around and clip it as close as I can up to that part that I've made. Feels secure. So I'm just going to let all this hair down, do the same step, and I think I'm gonna put in the 3-clip next. So now I have the 3, same step, clip them all open, flip it around. So how I've been clipping them in is starting with the middle clip just to kind of get it centered where I want it, and then I'm bringing it to the sides and clipping outwards. So we'll do the 4 one next. So I read the Luxy tips and tricks on their website, and they said that the 4 clip, their largest weft, should go across the largest diameter of your head. So I think I'm at that stage now around my ears. So I'm gonna pull my hair back up, grab the largest one, put it in. So here we go with the largest weft, 4 clips across. So I've just let all my hair down, and I just want to see the progress so far. Okay, I haven't even put everything in yet, and it is looking really good. I'm just kind of feeling to make sure everything's blended, or there's no clips sticking out. I guess that's a huge hair extension faux pas, but I feel like with the way these clips are, even if I put them in wrong, they'd still probably look fine. So I'm gonna pop in the 3 clip. I don't have a ton more space on the back of my head, so I only left a little bit of hair, and I'm just gonna clip it right above the 4 clip. So I got it in, it's feeling good. I'm gonna let down the rest. So it looks like the color match is really good. You can see I have a lot of layers in my hair, so I'm actually going to throw in a few of these 1 pieces just to kind of fill up these front spots. Okay, so I think if I kind of pull my hair back like this. I want to still be able to do this. I'm such a hair toucher that I still want to be able to do this without feeling like I'm playing with the hair extensions or I've touched them or moved them. So I'm gonna try and be really strategic with where I put these little ones, just so I can still do this. So I'm gonna kind of start by pulling this back where I normally would when I'm obsessively touching my hair. And I'm gonna pin this up here and kind of throw it in here where my baby hairs are and where my hair is a little bit thinner. Feel secure. Let that down. Looks good. I'm gonna do the same to this side. So kind of pulling it back, pinning that up. Oh, goodness, okay. So with the 16-inch seamless set that I got, there's actually a few leftovers. So there's gonna be 2 more 1-pieces, and there's also a 2-piece. So again, I don't have a ton of hair to begin with. It's pretty thin. I have a really small head. So I guess this is really great for someone who has a little bit thicker hair and a bit shorter, or whatever your hair extension journey is, but I'm actually not gonna use these pieces this time. So I love the way it looks right now. It's kind of giving me a little bit of like a blowout look, but I wanna throw some curls in it and really take it to the next level. I actually have Luxy's curling wand that is a little bit longer for extensions, so I'm really excited to try this out with this new length that I have. The barrel's about 1 inch thick, and that's my preferred. I'm not the best hairstylist in the world by any means, but I'm going to give this a go and we'll see how it turns out. So I'm gonna actually pin up some of my hair just because there's a lot going on right now, so I can kind of work my way up once again. So this is my preferred brush on a day-to-day basis, just a wet brush, but when it comes to hair extensions, it can get caught really easily. So Luxy actually has a specific brush. It's called the Loop Hair Extension Brush, and I have it here. So for styling purposes today, I am going to use this. It is kind of the same shape as the brush I already love to use, which is awesome. As you can see, I've already kind of brushed a little bit, but it is looped instead of just single prongs. So we're gonna go ahead and kind of brush everything here so I can start styling. Oh, nice. Okay, cool. I always like to do my curls all in one direction. I always do them kind of away from my face, and then I like to brush it out after. So because my hair is really thin, it normally falls really quickly. So I'm gonna spray every curl with some hairspray just to be safe. Okay, so I got everything curled. It's looking really good, but I like my curls brushed out, so I'm just gonna use the loop brush to make them look a little bit softer. Oh, they blend so nice. The loop brush feels really nice, actually. It doesn't feel like it's tugging at all, where my wet brush that I showed you guys before definitely felt like it was tugging. This feels like very soft, like it's not gonna rip them out or like shift them at all. I can also brush it over the wefts without it pulling. You can kind of hear it. Okay, now that we have them all brushed out, you can see how much fuller my hair looks. It just looks way more put together than when I normally style my hair. Wow. So all in all, I have loved my experience with Luxy's hair extensions. I think the color match is awesome. They feel really good. Well, thank you for following along in my hair extension journey and putting these in for the first time. If you have any questions, throw them in the comment section down below. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, check out all of Luxy Hair's socials, and we'll see you next time.